Make una monitor 2023 election without sentiments. Buhari to diplomats. President Muhammadu Buhari don commend different nations of the world sake of the way dem take dey collabo to fight security wahala for Nigeria and for the entire globe. He talk this one when he received letter of credence from Canadian High Commissioner to Nigeria, Ambassador James Kingston Christophe, and Ambassador of Mexico to Nigeria, Juan Alfred Miranda Ortiz. President Buhari talk say this collabo across border don lead to ogbonge success for security matter and dem go still fit achieve more.
The ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine has undermined the progress countries have achieved in tackling food security in the last decade, while the political instability in Libya continues to fuel terrorism in the Sahel, as well as scatter the democratic sustenance in both West and Central African regions. Nigeria is not left out of the equation as we are fighting to rid our country of banditry, kidnapping, harder farmer crisis, and insurgency. We are, however, making meaningful progress with the support of friendly countries like yours to sustain these fights until we overcome these challenges.
President Buhari come here and say 2023 election dey come, make dem monitor the build-up of the election and the general election professionally without any sentiments.
Nigeria is drawing closer to its 2023 national elections, and the candidates representing their parties at different levels are beginning to build a consensus within their respective parties in preparation for the launching of campaigns across the country soon. As the drums of campaign begin to rise, I urge you to be guided by diplomatic practice to ensure that your activities remain within the limits of your profession as you monitor the build-up and the conduct of the general elections.
Canadian High Commissioner went talk on behalf of the ambassadors, contact President Buhari for the ceremony and call promise say them go work well with the ministers and build ogbonge relationships.
Mr. President, we look forward to working with your ministers and officials and a wide range of stakeholders from across Nigeria to build the relationships that will underpin progress in areas of mutual interest.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.